Hey, what's up YouTube? TMZ1313 here. Today, I'm just in my garage. It's finally getting warm out. Hopefully the warmth is here to stay. I just want to show you guys a few things. First I'll just show you what's going on with my system. Nothing much. Um, it's just basically on standby, charging it for the day. Um, it's about 7:30-ish, maybe 8, close to 8 now. It's sitting at 13.0. The sun's going down, but I got good news. I got a wonderful wife, and for Husband's Day, even though I didn't even know that was a thing, she bought me something. Happens to be another solar panel. Same exact brand, Windy Nation. I think I'm gonna go with these. I really like them. They're cheap, and you guys seen the output. They're doing more than what they're supposed to, so I don't see no reason to get a different kind. So this is a brand new panel. I still have my other two. I'm probably gonna hook it up in series with my other two panels just to see what it produces. But I'm not gonna have it on there because we just got approved for a loan for a house. So right now we're house hunting, which means bigger and better things, my friends. I got big plans for the for the solar panel system. It will be going inside my house. I will be getting more panels, more batteries. So keep an eye out for that, guys. It's this summer is gonna be a good summer for my channel. A lot of things are gonna be happening. I know it's a little bit slow, but it's gonna start picking up again. So look out for all my videos. Thanks, guys, for hanging out with me, hanging in there when I haven't been producing much videos, and I really appreciate all the support. And like I said, just keep an eye out for my videos. There's gonna be a whole bunch of them. And so, all right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.